What's going on, everyone? So today we are going to be talking about my favorite altcoin, Verasity. For those of you who don't know what VRA is, Verasity is a protocol and product layer platform that focuses on esports and video entertainment and has the only proof of view world global patent out there, guys. So this one's going to be very big. It's on a very huge run right now as we speak. All right, guys, so to start this video off, let's take a look at the current cryptocurrency market. As you can see right now, we have Bitcoin at number one at $55,000. As you see in my last video, I'm not too sure on Bitcoin right now. It's really going to have to prove itself. So far it's been doing that, but I'm still going to keep an eye on that. But anyways, we are also looking at Ethereum at number 2, which is at 3,600. We are looking at Cardano at number 3 at $2.27, and Tether at number 4 at, of course, $1. And then we have Binance at $423. So let's continue on here, guys. So right now, Verasity has been on a huge run, and this is the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about, because this was posted back in September on the 24th. As you can see here, these are the ERC token holdings for the top 1,000 ETH wallets. As you can see right here, we have Verasity right here at 1.7%. at $492.4 million. And then we also had another smaller one down here that a few people didn't notice that has VRA as well at $132.3 million. So that is definitely a lot of money, guys. It's just about $600 million from September 24th. So let's keep that in mind here when we come here and we look at this volume here, which is very interesting to see, because right now we have a 24-hour trading volume of $198 million, guys. We are topping Cardano and many other projects that are trading much higher and have a lot more publicity and attention right now, but Verasity is slowly but surely gaining that attention as well. So this is definitely something to look into and keep in mind, guys, because I believe that this is going to be big. Another thing that's been contributing to the growth of Verasity is the team, guys. The team has been putting in work. They are the main reason that Verasity has been moving the way that it has been and has been getting this attention, guys. They've been putting in so much work. I really have not seen a team just so devoted as Verasity as far as low cap altcoins go, guys. This is just like top notch, top tier professional, guys. Professionalism on 10. So we are looking right here at Verasity. As you can see, global growth and skyrocketing socials. So the team has basically been putting in so much work. As you can see here, Telegram has moved up 74%. We have 15% activity here, and there's just, we have Reddit, we have Discord, we have Medium, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter. Verasity also has different platforms for different languages and geographical locations, basically. So they have their Chinese area, so even though things are a little iffy in China right now, they're still keeping China involved, which I really like. And they also have the Spanish area, and they have the English, of course, and they're just making sure that they touch down on as many different demographic areas as possible. And I really do like that, because they're not just focusing on one demographic area, and they're trying to get the world involved, guys. They're getting the world involved on this. And as you can see here, this is the global footprint right here. This is the English area. This is the international. And so far, no presence areas are literally very few, guys. That's very good in my personal opinion. This is like basically most of the world. This is maybe about like 80% of the world right here, maybe even 90. And then over here is just like about 10%, but I'm pretty sure we will be touching down on these other areas soon as well. So this is definitely a very big thing to look into, because as you can see here, as of October 1st, we have over 20,000 followers across our international Telegram communities. That's very huge, guys. As you can see, they have the VK Russian, they have the Korean, they have the Japanese, Chinese. They are just all over the place, guys, and this is just insane to look at. Like, these numbers, guys, are just unreal, and I honestly believe that Verasity is going to continue to grow even faster, guys, and that's really what's been contributing to the price. And I honestly believe that we are about to see some very crazy things that many did not expect to come out of this one. And one last big thing that I want to touch on really quick is this right here in the highlighted area. So as you can see, we are in fact one of the top 10 biggest gaining coins in 2021 so far, according to CoinMarketCap, and the VRA token has grown 5,200% since January of this year. That's even more now, guys, because this was posted a little whiles ago. And as you can see here, they also said that the Vera wallet holders has increased by 4,000%, guys. That is huge, as well as over 209,000 users, and now they hold a fully diluted market cap of 450 million, which is much higher now, guys, because this was old, as I said before. And as you can see here, this says we are now on over 140,000 people's watch list, and we are actually heading to 150,000 people. As you can see here, we have 147,000 currently on CoinMarketCap, guys. So this is definitely very, very interesting, guys, because I believe that this is going to be one of those altcoins that even if we go into a bear market, it is going to continue to rise up. But as always, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, and for educational purposes only, if you want to look into it from the perspective of looking up patents and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, so this is another thing that I want to talk about. This is a bit older as well, September 17th, as you can see here, but I don't think I've covered this just yet. But they also have had the notice of allowance for its second PoV patent, guys. So Verasity has been moving at a very, very rapid pace and has been touching down on so many things on their roadmap and more, guys. These guys have really been extending their reach out to the crypto community on a massive scale. And as you can see here, this is the Q3 of 2021 roadmap, and we have Q4 we're in right now. But as you can see here, we have the Vera wallet purchase VRA with credit card, we have Vera views, and we have just so many things that they've touched down on, guys. If I sat here and tried to read all of this, it would take up of at least a minute or two, and I'm not trying to like take up you guys' time, because I know you guys want to see like price predictions and chart analysis and stuff like that. But as you can see here, the second patent was approved. We also have the rewarded A audit rating by Exangle. We have ambassador programs, the PoV NFT patent news claims. There's just so many. They went over 150,000 Twitter followers. Dude, there's just so much going on with Verasity right now that it's insane, especially because they have the esports fight club, which is almost its a whole completely other thing that's still branched under Verasity. Verasity is just all over the place, guys, and that's very, very good, because I honestly believe that we are going to see Verasity kind of decouple from a lot of the rest of the crypto market and kind of do its own thing for quite a while before it reaches that certain price that's just where Verasity is going to go, much like Theta. So right before we get into price analysis and stuff like that, I do want to put this out here. So if you guys go to entrepreneur.com and you check out this podcast, definitely give it a listen, because it was very, very interesting and there is a lot of information out here. But as you can see right here, they have Justin, the CRO for Verasity, had basically gone over how he is planning to boost viewer engagement and advertising income for content creators like myself and others, as well as publishers. So as you can see here on this highlighted area, Veracity's goal is to significantly increase ad revenue for video publishers across all platforms by leveraging their reward player and ad stack powered by its patented protocol for proof of view technology. Out of approximately $400 billion in online advertising, up to 40%, or roughly 160 billion, is viewed by bots rather than humans, guys. As you've seen before, I went down all of this stuff in my previous videos. I have a whole playlist, if you guys didn't know, for Verasity, so definitely go on my channel and check out my playlist. I've been talking about this for quite some time now, from Verasity being all the way at its previous all-time high down to Verasity being at like 0.007. So definitely go ahead and check that out, guys, because there's a lot of information out here. But this is also very, very great to see, guys, because there is a huge problem right now with fake views and bots and stuff like that. And I've gone over this in previous videos where I have my own company and I pay for ads and stuff, and I'm starting to see that a lot of them are coming from bots that are being generated by competitors to kind of throw off their competition. But anyways guys, that's definitely something to get into another video, so definitely check out that old video that I did. Let's jump straight into this chart analysis here. First, we're going to go ahead and we are going to check out Veracity's current price, which is 0.059, borderline 6 cents. So we have a current market cap of 393.9 million, almost 400 million. We have a circulating supply right here, which is 6.5 billion, and we also have the 24-hour trading volume at 199 million. And as you can see right now, we are no longer ranked 200, we are ranked 191 and steadily climbing, guys. So this is going to be very, very interesting to watch unfold in the next couple of months, because Q4 is going to be a very huge month for Verasity, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the trading view here. All right guys, so as you can see here, we have had quite the run up here. I'm going to try to zoom in here for you guys really quick. So this isn't the most perfect chart, as you can see here. I'm a little off on this part right here, but let's take and scroll out this way and look at what we are looking at here. So this is what I had previous drawn out, and as you can see here, we traded within this range for a little bit, but we mainly traded above the range, and we actually stayed kind of like pinned to the top end of this trading range right here, which was very interesting to me and was screaming like accumulation basically. And as you can see, there was massive accumulation going on. So with that being said, we are going to scroll up here and take a look at this here. I'm going to zoom out. All right, so before I had it sitting around about 5 cents, and now things have completely changed. As you can see here with this green trend line here, we are actually trading within a new trend. So as you can see, we are on a more bullish trend than before within these two green lines here. And if this trend continues, we can see Verasity hit around 7 cents. And if it goes completely bullish, we should definitely end up seeing Verasity hit about 10 cents once the FOMO sets in. If the FOMO sets in, which I know it will for a fact, but I can't say for a fact because it's financial advice. But anyways guys, as you can see here, we have this trend line here, which is a little bit more docile. So with this one has us coming up to about 6 cents and trading within that 6 cents to about 5 cents range if we were to come down and kind of consolidate in this area. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about with Verasity is that, so there's been a lot of FUD going on with Bitcoin lately with this recent run up, because Bitcoin has actually had a very huge jump forward from that really low area down to up to about 55,000. So with that being said, we should definitely keep an eye on that, because if Bitcoin were to have a kind of huge correction or a huge crash due to some FUD or something like that, like Evergrande or something like that came out, and that were to happen, we may see Verasity drop down. And in my personal opinion, if we see Verasity drop down, I'm honestly looking for Verasity to kind of come between this 0.055 and 5 cents range, because we had very strong support here. But if it were to continue, as you can see here, we spreaded this out, we would definitely probably fall to about 0.045 and 0.04, because we had very strong holdings right here. So as you can see here, this was a very strong support level. So I definitely believe that we should be seeing Verasity hold very strong here if it were to fall. But in my personal opinion, I don't see it falling down to this level. So we're going to scroll up here so you guys can kind of see this a little better now. So as you can see here, I have it right now at about 0.85 cents. in the 8 cents range is where we are heading currently. And if we get more bullish, like an exchange listing or anything like that, we can definitely see 10 cents off rip. We're definitely going to hit 10 cents a lot sooner than many think, in my personal opinion. And then as you can see here with this blue line, I also believe that it is possible that we kind of chill around this 0.065 range for a little bit and consolidate before making another move up. It really just depends on where exactly the market is trying to go, because crypto is in a very, very volatile space right now with regulation and things like that. So we are definitely going to have to keep our eyes on this one, guys. But anyways, that's all I've got for today's video. If you guys like my content and you have any questions or just want to support Verasity and like hook the video up, definitely leave some comments, because the algorithm likes that and we can get Verasity in front of more people and just help Verasity grow, guys, because this is a very, very, very insanely great project, guys. I'm very, very impressed with the way that the team has conducted this and the way that Verasity continues to grow. And I love the community, guys. The Verasity community has been awesome and is continuing to grow. But anyways, guys, definitely leave a like and a comment. If you haven't already subscribed, check out the rest of my Verasity videos in the Verasity playlist. That's all I've got for today's video. This is Dion. Thanks for watching.